The romance of owning a four-wheel drive.
Beautiful.
Oh, what a machine!
Salisbury Plain meets Wales.
Yeah, exactly. So now that you're ready to buy your truck, after endlessly searching through social media adverts or flipping through your favorite off-road magazine, now that you're whizzing around in your brand new 4x4, looking for every last puddle to hydroplane through, or every inch of ground to make your pride and joy articulate. Now you find your mod list keeps growing and growing, along with a bank account that looks emptier than a black hole. But rest assured, you've made the right choice. However, let me explain. You now find yourself trawling through endless social media groups, forums, looking for inspiration on your very next step. But what's it going to be? Weekend warrior? A monster truck? How about an Everest conquering overlander? However, whatever your choice may be, you're in for a wild ride.
Steering's a little loose! Alignment's off too!
As your accessories take up the majority of the courier's van space, your other half has to become accustomed to her new role as co-signing for the complete supply chain of all the parcels that keep piling through the front door. Now you're met with the daunting task of installing all these accessories. What are you going to do? But this is where a good amount of time and knowledge and experience is accumulated. And if you choose to do things yourself, take your time, do as much research as you can before you wire in your brand new spotlights, or before you drill in that 4-inch hole in the side of your body for your brand new stainless steel snorkel. While at the helm of your trusty new steed, you look at the world very differently. You now have the ability to explore routes less traveled, give fellow owners that awkward wave. Snarl at other manufacturers, or blind everything at night with a humongous light setup. How about stroking your ego while you drive past other people's trucks with a smaller lift? You now find yourself being outdoors more than often, meeting awesome new mates, scaring your kids doing some crazy, sketchy water crossings, but ultimately enjoying a beautiful evening under the stars with your loved ones, with a nice romantic meal, and swapping stories around the campfire. Now the real question is this all worth it? bet your ass this is worth it. You don't realize this, but this is a beginning of a lifelong adventure. So along the way, you're going to pick up a lot of wiring and mechanical knowledge. You're going to learn how to control your vehicle over a multitude of different terrains using the different 4x4 settings. You'll also learn how to pack your truck like a mule, learning how to become more self-sufficient, being able to travel further and further afield, becoming more and more remote. Whatever you choose, rest assured, the love affair is an intimate one, something that you and your family will thoroughly enjoy.